Hey everyone, in this video today I have the battery from a Ninebot Max G30. See, there's no light here at all. I ended up putting the wires up to this connector, and the XT60 currently is reading 33 volts. And it shows green when I try to plug it straight into the charger. So let's try to jump it. I have my charger, put it into this connector, which is hooked up to this XT60. I put this through the discharge port, the XT60, and now when I plug it in, I'm able to get a red light. This red light gives us hope. That means it is charging and it did bypass the BMS for now. So I brought the battery outside and let it charge for another 10 minutes or so until we were able to increase the voltage. After which I swapped the charger onto the battery charge ports, which goes through the BMS. So the goal was to raise the voltage just enough to be able to get the battery to charge. Now I have a blinking red light, which is a great sign, and that eventually turned into a blue light at 38 volts. Eventually I was able to charge all the way up to 41 volts, after which the charger turned green, and now this battery is successfully revived. If this helped you out, please drop a like down below.